ni pedele mana kalau sana rida take.
Ding dong bell.
Sa totoo sa sure tal na baki.
Right.
Ona kay kinda lang sa suo tale.
Iyo.
Ena sa may sui ko tabalimu.
Iya.
Sa ando tal na baki bo.
Borbauta.
Borbauta.
Iyo.
Ona kay kinda lang enda samba di bu ando tale may nasasa sa singa ni mati tali.
Sasa.
Yan narsasagor na bote boro. Bati yan, natutol ningaw na. Kaya ko na, singa niyo kinda ba? Natutol ningaw na.
Baru benak.
Mga kinda ba nga, ni sa bula, sa saluluman ng balum.
Right.
Ni sa tukuna beko.
Iya.
Waya usang kasi.
Quando lo muele, ka quando muele.
Right.
So ba wele irto na bikai tu na buru-buru ngata. Ni to
Sar.
sigo kinda tigo.
Right.
Hindi na.
Na buru tama ngo bigar bikina na korro baga kina na bikor ni taka
Dono.
Dia benak na lubi bitu di sama cukup papala nga na matag di kuwa.
Right.
Da aus palang show. Lagi-lagi nga na matag di kuwa.
Hindi
Right.
na.
Yeah, short and sweet.
Wow.
Right.
Boleh na talaga may Mikel ang alombula bat ke atu na isa kurumundo.
Mata mana mundur tekiro na bongi?
Enro. Na
Okay.
buru-buru ngo kaya usakila ka ni sa okay, dapat kuno tua.
Iya.
Kam.
Anggona VTFM Palangi, K-Punches, new cream biscuits, so creamy with every bite.
Beautiful morning, wonderful morning this morning,
Alright.
Thursday. Katulising di bulan ko Oktober. Dotal dotal ko takin buku di benan rebaki.
Dono binaka.
Banda Ouch Palangi show na biwali sa na bagulutu bosa.
Right.
Drop woje.
Iya.
Iya, bagulutu bosa.
Drop kick.
Drop kick gor na drop goal.
Ano na ka demi ano na
Yeah,
ka?
and I've been to each and everyone joining this morning. Even the weather from Nendi says it's a weather, it's a cloudy,
Alright.
it's a rainy,
Alright.
but we want to tell you now the
Right.
sun is rising
Right.
from the Suva,
Race ka na sana
Yeah.
missing ba?
rising from the Suva city of Fiji.
Okay.
And we welcome you. Thank you very much for the hard working.
Okay.
Thank you very much for being good to your neighbor.
Alright.
Thank you very much for maintaining discipline.
Alright.
But never lie to your boss.
Okay.
If you are grog doping,
Right.
tell him I'm grog doping.
Right.
Otherwise,
Last night what we saw,
Yeah.
there's no discipline in you.
No discipline.
No discipline
No
at all.
discipline.
Eh?
Very complicated fella.
okay,
Yeah.
yesterday,
Yeah.
each and everyone joining this morning,
Yeah.
we was having a grog session at Lolombu.
Iya.
Any style bar.
Chiki tam.
Iyo. Manilo. Mr. Kurumundu,
Right.
Mr. Ngalombula,
Right.
and the one and only brother, the elder brother,
Right.
is Tua. Mikeli.
Tua.
The bangang now Mikeli.
Mikeli,
Mikeli Rendua.
Right.
We having grog session last night at Lolombu. It's a very good start.
Okay.
Good.
And the very bad
The
end.
dudu ni wine no
Yeah.
is so tasty.
Right.
You?
Yeah.
Oh, these two tastes that do last night.
Right.
Thank you very much for being part of the grog session.
Yeah.
I was happy enough
Right.
that you leave your belonging
Raw.
and coming to the place. Thank you very much for being part of that. Even though when you come back this morning, the boy said, "Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for being taking the people from your work site
Right.
to be part of our grog session." We had the voice, we never see the face. When we
Okay.
see the
There-
face,
there are
we
voice.
want to see the.
You and your big brother.
Yeah.
You and your big brother, both of you.
Yeah.
Step.
Not step.
Yeah.
What step?
Mentality. Nabuku. When you are fulfilled with something,
Right.
better live or better out.
Like this every like yesterday, the other day.
Yeah.
Your tutua is here already 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Now where's tutua?
Look after him after this. Don't go to Nabua.
Okay, ada talo melolom berburu-buru na kira
Thank you.
itu kan nabi kanin go sa ro tataw na bita dini.
Wait.
Ya kira sa antes tenta kaya.
Yeah.
Bala tu apa kami oleh ri katalo me katumbaleka.
Yeah, ro.
Umur me katumbaleka.
Eda bede buri menantara.
Nilalat cukup melolong.
Yeah.
Sama gue sesatu bina kasartungan wana isosomi.
Mad ulaya siratunra.
Alright.
Not forgetting tutua pita abu,
Alright.
Liki, and the squad.
Right.
Dos
Yeah.
for joining this morning.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Let's move on to our
Okay,
story.
this is a story about a taxi driver, a male taxi driver.
Roko biyong galida.
Robio kali dan romula kibunraw.
Right.
Nakango sa nambali mi kibunraw. He was a taxi driver from Nakasi.
Alright.
So whenever he was driving,
Okay.
the fella used to call him. Hello.
The fellow what?
The wife.
The wife.
The wife used to call the
The
husband.
fellow betoga.
Kalau saya kesana do batin men do bat suka orang sini.
Yeah.
Okay, kira.
So the wife called the husband, where you at?
Right.
No, I'm at the walking site.
Yeah.
I'm on the road.
Right.
I'm at the base.
Yeah.
So every time he see calling,
Yeah.
where you gonna go?
Location.
Location.
Oh,
every
one-
time,
one
every
pickup,
time.
one pickup.
One keep. on pickup.
Yeah.
So the fellow was the wife was at Nakasi.
Yeah.
Nakasi.
Valelebu.
So Valelebu, the wife was standing there. She was walking there.
Yeah.
So she asked the wife,
Here.
the husband,
Right.
husband, baby,
Yeah.
can you please buy 4 loaf of bread
Yeah.
and a butter?
Right.
So the
Follow for butter.
Okay, I'll coming.
Right.
I'll come soon. Where you now? I'm at Nakasi now.
Okay.
So she was waiting at the Vallebu bus stop.
Yeah.
The taxi passed by.
Oi.
Oi.
Passed by before
After the call.
after the call. From Nakasi,
Yeah.
he ran from Makoi.
Right.
Right.
One job in Makoi in the bus stop. There was a beautiful young lady,
Oh, okay.
young girl.
Yeah.
She was standing there like early 20s.
Yeah.
She was standing there
Yeah.
and she was stopped the taxi. Can I go to Nambua,
Right.
please? Come. She went inside.
Night time.
She sit.
Music.
Music every time, music. But we on the Wilson Phillip.
Yeah.
They release me. The girl
Yeah.
does not sit at the back.
Oi.
Sit in front,
Oi, okay.
close to the driver,
Alone.
alone.
Oi.
So she went from Makoi right to Nambua.
Right.
Yeah.
At the bus stop from Valelebu.
Alright. Pass.
Pass by.
Lebang talo ka na seatbelt din driver.
Alam mo ko rin na tatapamak. So from there, the wife was looking.
Yeah.
When she saw the taxi color,
Yeah.
Iyo.
she knew it.
Must be him go.
Oh, him.
This is my husband.
Yeah, she looked at the number plate.
Yeah.
She said,
Confirm.
"Oh, it's a confirm.
7630.
It's a confirmation.
Right.
Yeah.
It's him."
It's
Yeah.
him.
So Lisa
Yeah.
was calling.
Yeah.
Listen, was in front.
Yeah, was in front. So whenever she coming,
Right.
she was she was looking at the number plate.
Yeah.
She looked in the window.
Right.
The wife.
The front.
The front.
Front seat.
She looked at the front.
Yeah.
She saw a young, beautiful lady.
Yeah.
She take the number,
Yeah.
the phone. She
Lisa.
called Lisa.
Right.
Lisa take the phone.
Yeah. Call the husband.
Call the husband.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
you liar!
Yeah.
You tell me that you are in a casino?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
You tell to buy the loaf of the bread?
Yeah.
No, you never do something right.
Right.
See, I see you, another girl inside there.
It just went past.
It went past.
Yeah.
In front of you. And then
In front of you, Melonga. Yeah, yeah.
And then what's wrong with you?
Yeah.
You never say you lie, you cheating?
Yeah.
I said, no, it's a passengers.
Yeah.
Tell her to go at the back. Asa ni meron ako, ti nakasi. Okay, sa bulay nga may manay muli manay pati ng bata. Okay, sa kinta na lang na wati ni bus stop, sa pasya din na
taxi ba
pasya na taxi ni nawati na. Reno ko, ray lindo nang ngonele, ore rito to kan dami sa tungailyo na taxi ni driver. Robitalo to blast to na music. Asin ni meron nga ngonele na lasu-lasu ko la ko la satiko. Atara sa telepon sanggir. Nanggiri nga ni bangko ko sa taraminoti na. Oy, nakawati mi na mula lasu-lasu ngori. O tuko na binabi ano to mena kasi.
Go.
O dengo rin na lang dapat iliw. Ay napasin dia. Tuko na ko kami ay muri.
Vamos a uma.
Lai muri meseni sole na $50 dola singa. Inawale punjas, thank you very much.
Right. New cream biscuits, so creamy in every bite.
Yeah, good morning, good morning. Thank you.
Bito kanina naman takarikuha sa
About to
kotse
say.
ano di talon na. Bika na maramatina
Tano
di
na ka?
bale.
Yeah.
Ni understand ta kana taka ya.
Iyo, hindi na.
So nangona delo ko robuli bata.
Iya.
Hindi na kinom duta.
Right.
Nabi talon no nabi nendra kina
Iya.
kumati na muli ni motoka.
Oh.
Eh mekit kuntuwa men tambi muri.
Iya.
Or madal na naman ray na buli talon to naman siya.
Wadi ni binaka. Udah wale punjes.
Iya.
Wadu tani minema ni vaka ibungale. Nada binaka. Na wale besar na sabu tuman sabu bungale mai telem.
Nuli sara. Lo mer bita wala amani.
Iya.
Na tuin intar tarami.
Manu mina na mudibeng grabe kito sada ba ito guys setaka like taka
Yeah.
nanontalay video na
Nakalisa.
balik telisa
Yeah.
and mataka dibeng grabe ni ko binabalik punjes.
Yeah.
New cream biscuits, so creamy in every bite.